What in the what? Guys, we're vertical. Is this weird? This is weird for me. Is this weird for you? It's a little weird, right? Have you turned your phone yet? Or am I, does this help? Guys, we're gonna shoot vertically today because of the type of video I'm doing. I kind of thought maybe it would be the better format. So basically, I'd say like 85% of my wardrobe comes from the thrift store. My friends are always like, I could never find stuff like that. I could never make it look cute like that. I never find things in good condition, whatever it is. So I wanna show you, number one, how I style these pieces. So it is gonna be a bit of a styling video. The other thing that I wanted to get your opinion on is, for those of you that have seen my 5 Ways to Friday video, I'll put the playlist right here. When I shoot those videos, I normally do like building the outfit here in my bedroom, and then I walk around in the street like in the outfit. And I gotta say, it is such a pain in the butt. I'm like in the car, searching for shade, changing in the car, like sweaty. So gross, it's so annoying. So I thought, if I can do styling videos here where I'm just in my room and that's how we shoot it and the video is still good for you guys, then I'll do more of these because I've gotten so many requests for them. So this is what I ask of you. Let me know if the vertical format is good or if it's kind of weird. And then also let me know if you feel like you're getting the same benefit from the styling video just being done here in one location as opposed to walking around on the street. Okay, that's it. Let's do it. It's gonna be a fun one. I haven't done this yet. So exciting. Okay.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
All right, and that's it. So the time has come for your advice. I want to know what you guys thought about the vertical format, yay or nay. What did you think about me just shooting it in one location, just here, not doing multiple locations? Did that work? And then also the text. So in 5 Ways to Friday, I would do voiceover. And in this, I decided to just really have music and just pop up some text here and there. So did you like that, or would you prefer the voiceover? And honestly, I had like another at least 10 pieces, but I just thought the video was gonna get too long. So I guess that's the last thing. If the video was between like 12 to 15 minutes, would you like that? Or does that seem a little too long? Anyway, I really appreciate all the advice and all the help. It kind of helps me tweak it and figure out exactly what the show should be like. So comment them below. I will read all of them. I really do appreciate it. See you next week.